This Flowmaster Flow FX Muffler offers a noticeable bump in performance by letting the engine breathe more freely while keeping the exhaust note controlled and civilized. Its straight-path internal design, with a perforated stainless steel core, gives a deep, smooth tone that sounds strong outside without droning you out inside the cabin. High-temperature packing material around the core helps knock down harsh rasp, so you get a mellow, refined sound rather than a tinny or obnoxious roar. The muffler body is built from corrosion-resistant stainless steel with clean welds, which inspires confidence if you drive year-round in wet or salty conditions. Because the center inlet and outlet can be run in either direction, it is easy to work this unit into tight custom exhaust layouts on modern trucks, muscle cars, or daily drivers. Overall, it strikes a very good balance between power gains, sound quality, and long-term durability, making it a smart upgrade over a restrictive factory muffler.